over me. He all right, he all right, he go. And before I see a slave, I gonna be buried in my grave. I'm going to my Lord and be free. All the children they are free, and I hear it. Go on. They'll be shouting. They'll be shouting. They'll be shouting over me. And before I be a slave, I want to be buried in my grave. I'm going home to my Lord and be free. Oh, good evening, Hannah Taylor. Good evening. What's going on? All right. Praise. Thank you, ma'am. At least I get the right answer. Then, yeah. Galley first GullahGeechee and get the right answer. I said, what going on? Y'all will tell you all kind of the rest of it. At least she said, praise going on. Because that was really going on in there. Okay. So I'm so glad that 100 children taught them not robbery, but joined we are this evening. Come here, Regina. So it's so glad that you come here this evening. Now I know how much the children, this is your first time here, but this year, you wonder where the Scott name come from. This your gal named Regina Scott.
Yes.
Then when they be thinking it smelly so, they going to add sawdust on the back of it.
Yes.
So this is the Scots that make the place grand. All right. So now, one of the things why I beloved it, when I hear this say, she said, Queen, come over, come to the cafe. I said, well, where the gal called Scott's Grand? She said, no, the cafe's in Scott's Grand. I said, well, you split up the place? No, ain't like it been before, but we run up. Where we can cafe inside?
Yes.
Then Santa. I said, okay, then go on, gal.
Yes.
I said, because you know how we like to do story. And talk about, if I been know, I'd have paid more money. But how come you go in the Buffalo restaurant and you know you have to have money? You know therefore you going from home. And have all kind of things.
Yes.
Then you don't damn from home. You eat them over there.
Yes.
But then you get the wee place, well, how about take a little bit off? You know, you don't eat everything from the plate, but then you know my tater been a leaf bun on the side. Stop that no. Because I take off $1 or $2 right there. No.
Yes.
So they ain't got no storytelling.
Yes.
Because you can nap on something and then you throw the thing in the box.
Right.
It do just like at the church.
Right.
Let you go on and drop them.
That's
A
right.
free will offering.
Yes, sister.
And some of we will ain't free. It buying up.
Yes. Right.
Because we ain't want to give nothing.
Right.
But guess what they learn we? Say your hands stay like this shit, what happened?
And you don't get nothing.
Nothing don't come to you.
Don't get
And because you got to do this shit.
Yes.
So you don't do this shit for give out,
Yes.
nothing can come in. So we done been here so much of time, Elder Town Conference. We done been here so much of time for so much of different things. Even when they get a new sign, we been yeah, celebration over the new sign. That'll GullahGeechee people. You know we get a little, we got a little piece of new furniture. Yeah, come my house. I got a new chair. We gonna have a dinner. Okay. So they get a new sign. We been here. And I said, well, gal, I ain't come all this year with 2 hours for this to look at no sign. I said a sign that Hunter growing more in the future.
Yeah.
A sign said Hunter good deal.
Yes.
Cause watch the words Hunter use.
Yes.
Cause you gonna have what you say.
That's right.
So when I speak with this place, I don't hardly ever call them Scott's Grand. I talk about Destiny Café.
Yes. Yes.
Cause that word I love.
Yes.
Cause I know Destiny tried to hunt a purpose.
Yes. Amen.
Because once God give you a purpose and thing like that, that's what that utterance of people call destiny. Now some of we destined for broke up, we behind.
Yes.
Because we done do all kind of cracky things. So when you broke up behind, ain't no need for cry, send for the deacon and the preacher and all the people pray for yourself.
Right.
And get up, straighten out, and wait, say, straighten up and fly right.
Right.
That's what you have to do.
Right.
But when I yelled that word destiny,
Yes.
I said, I know what he do for me.
Yes.
So what he gonna do for all these GullahGeechee, what they all around young? So I come in here and say, well, I ain't got but $1 or $2, but they get a full plate of food. So the day you might ain't have but $1 or $2, but that be that some person come back when they got a little something, they hit that number, y'all know how y'all be doing. They might come back in and put that $20 in.
Yes.
But make up for that day you been having.
Yes.
But that, her destiny,
Yes.
been for feed the people.
Yes.
So I don't come here, and every time I come here, I'm gonna bring a switch or bell for Regina. Because I a time mean something person and Regina a Charleston person. And Charleston got their own time. Ain't care what. Y'all just like West Africa for truth. Y'all just got your own time. So when I come one time, they tell me, Quit, I gonna turn this in a gift shop. So I come here this year for the 400 years of history dinner. They say the gift is the shop, your library. I said, wow, what? Girl, stop. I come to Georgia, Elizabeth. So I said, wow, bless it. Plenty of hundred with there, where I know you from? Libraries. You gonna work with me in libraries? We done research together in libraries. Some of y'all work at the library. So it's a blessing that we did this your day.
Yes.
Care about the library, care about books, because as a time said, some of y'all did bring a donation of books for putting into, and can read and write.
Yes. Blessing.
That's a blessing.
Yes.
Because 1739, they said no more reading and writing for African people. And that been right down here, down the creek, when they first said that. 1740, throw them on the paper, 1740 slave code. No more reading and writing. Thank God for we ancestors.
Yes.
Who been together just like we gathered to see in you. Ain't no crowd of people, because you know them. You got too much of them, then they go story on you. You want a few good ones.
Yeah.
And they get together in the bush arbor, in the brush arbor, and some to sing, and some to show you how to write in the dark. Some to sing, and somebody else got some peas and things, and lay them on the table and say, now A, look, this your B, this your C. They never stop me from reading and writing. How the first people who put words upon papyrus, the first one who chiseled them in for stone, look like a we, and we ain't gonna be able to write.
That's right. That's right.
The first library and things been a Timbuktu and Kush and thing, and we ain't had no library.
Yeah.
Ain't no such a thing. And this a monument and a testimony to who we be, a self-determined nation, self-determined people.
Yes.
You ain't have to wait for go county council for beg them people for no money. Beg for your money back.
Yes.
But be put in the community for say, please sir, put a library up.
That's right.
Why don't you have a library in your house?
Yes.
That's the first thing. And then you can easily say, well, great God, every book I got in there, I can bring you another copy, but put in this one. Because we ask everybody to bring GullahGeechee history books. We're right by we now, not right by the other rest of people. Black history book. You understand? And if anybody getting me on GullahGeechee Rhythm Radio, then y'all getting me say, bring self-determination and human rights books. Because that's still the who we be.
That's right.
The GullahGeechee nation wouldn't dare if it had been for self-determination. 1740 slave code wouldn't exist if it ain't been for self-determination, because Kiddo and them been determined for be free.
That's right.
They said they could tell them anything. But David read say, that king say, if one of the children make up from South Carolina down here to Florida, and then the change to Catholicism, one of one be free.
That's right.
And they did all they had to do together to get to that freedom. So I'm so glad if I see all the Lee children with
Yes. Yes.
because we got a Lee Children book in here and thing too. I think some people bring a Lee Children book this evening too. So I've been a read since I was 3. Don't worry about how old I is now, but I can multiply by several 3 now. Okay? I've been a read since I was 3. I love reading. I love writing. And I love y'all who thought of not robbery to say, we coming, because we gonna say we been there. We gonna get involved in we storybook next to say we
That's right.
Business for Café River with Queen, Sister Regina, Elder Tom, Brother Carl. Come on in, brother. Come on in, brother. Join the family. Yeah. So, that other thing. I glad for see man and woman.
Yes.
Cause I know a man like for see man, and when you see man and things like that, like Malcolm X and them, y'all get excited. Yeah, them boys bad, man, them boys but bad. Y'all see that? So then, a lot of times, y'all ain't realize the woman to look at you to see what you to do. And you standing in the corner talking loud, do impress me, but a man sitting down with a book, I want to see what title on that book.
Yes, yes.
That might be the man I want to talk to right there, because at least I know he can read. If the book ain't upside down.
Right.
Some people front now, they had that thing upside down. They think that when you like, they had that thing. He trying though, I got to give him credit, he trying. Okay? Because I can read upside down, but really, you ain't supposed to do it. All right? Now, good try though, brother. You see why I like though. So that's the thing. So to see brothers, you make a difference. Because some of young brothers now, they think all they got to read is Wikipedia or a tweet. They ain't forced written correctly. They need for be places where they see other men that treasure books, treasure knowledge. I know how many of y'all have watched the new show about Bumpy Johnson. It just started this year week with Forrest Whitaker. But that what Malcolm tell him. He said, come on, man, I know you. You know we know each other. And Malcolm said, yeah, man, but my mind has changed. You see what I'm saying? So it's not like, yeah, don't forget it. Yeah, I still read, but now I'm read. That's what he was saying. So I ain't still on that, yo man, what's up, where the hustle at? No. Now I realize it was a transformation by the renewing of the mind. And that's what books do.
Yes, it does.
Books take you around the world before you can move from your house. And if you got a mind like mine, you see everybody, you hear every character, you see the scenery and everything else.
Right.
So even tonight, I'm going to read a little bit out of 2 novels I just wrote because I'm going to be releasing them next year. But the first evening that the Spirit led me to start writing the novels is because someone approached me and said, Queen Quet, our publishing company would want to know, would you be interested in writing young adult novels?
Wow. Excellent.
And I said, if I could write it from my cultural perspective, I would. But it better buckle something. So when I wrote, they won't alter what I write. Because they keep trying to alter them to make them fit more the way they write. I said, well, let's hold on now. You knew who you was dealing with when you contacted me. I didn't contact you. I said, so now, ain't no problem. I had already negotiated because they already wanted to offer me a little bit of change. I want folding money. You ain't going to give me pennies. So, we already negotiated that. Well, you know, we don't normally give nobody this kind of money. I said, well, I'm not nobody.
That's right.
I said, because see, I know what I bring to the table. I bring a whole nation with me.
I know that's right. That's right.
I said, so look y'all. You know, other rest of GullahGeechee run write a whole novel with we thing and them other rest of people are writing and I mention we. I ain't a we. So you got a whole new market. You ain't gonna take that much of risk on me now. That when they said, okay then.
Okay.
So then they thought, cause they say, okay then, but we ain't signed nothing. Y'all come along, but no, but maybe it's lovely. Now when it starts off with, it's really lovely, but that's not all. And I can see I gotta scroll up. I said, oh no, where's the but? But, third paragraph, but. Would you mind if you would make the characters like, if I do that, they're not GullahGeechee. They become y'all. They're not my people. Or they become African American. They're not GullahGeechee if I do that to the character. Well, maybe if they said it like this, or could they go this way? I said, that's not how it looks down here. Y'all don't live here, right? This is how they look. So this how So I said, it's not a problem. Let me try something else. I said, this woman, I mean, she was pushing. She was pushing. She wanted them to pay me for this book and get out my way so bad, but she didn't hold the purse strings. She said, Queen Quet, I'm sending you some other examples of some other writing. Maybe if it's in this style, he will get on my back and you go. I said, well, you know what? Scratch the first book. I'm going to keep that for myself. I'm going to do another one. I started off, I did 60 pages on that. They told me send a 20-page treatment. I sent them 60. They loved it, but couldn't handle it. Because why? We don't know if we can market it though because it fits a different format. Don't worry about it. I will. Love y'all. Thank you. That's all God sent you to me for. God was saying, you wrote novellas.
Right,
You need to write a
novellas.
novel.
Yes, yes.
You
yes.
write for grown folk. You need to write something for the church. Come on in, bro. Come on in, bro. So I said, okay, Lord. And all of a sudden, these characters just started hanging out. I flew all the way from New York to Atlanta to do a conference. And as soon as I got in the hotel room, I looked at the window. I was saying, I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All right? Because I'm looking at the penthouse window. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Right?
That's right.
Finished that. Sit on the bed. They started talking. I pulled my computer and I started typing. There was another 20 pages.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's how things come to
Yeah.
stream of consciousness. So when I put them aside, it's because I have to travel a lot. And I like to be in a certain spiritual energy. I don't want no funny business coming in between.
All right.
Here was novel 1, finished. Here's novel 2, finished. The next 2 days apart. And so when I read the first opening to him, and the sister Sharon Marion from Charleston, them joke on the phone. I want real criticism. Them joke on the phone. Oh, wow. Then I started. They said, what happened? What happened? I said, it's the end of the chapter. Well, come on, go ahead. And then Sharon, well, you know you're going to have to do the audio book, right? I said, why? She said, yeah, because we ain't going to get all that Gullah and all that. He ain't going to get it. And he don't hear you. I said, well, y'all are literate. I need y'all to read it on your own when it's ready. That's nice, Queen, but we want the audio book. So all that coming. All right? All that coming. But the night y'all will be the first one, other than theirs, that got to hear anything from those. And I wanted this to be the night that happened. Because again, bringing our energy into space makes all the difference in the world. So Sister Regina, we know gal say, man, your destiny for being born, for one cook up all these kind of different food for all these people, yo, and a nag up all the other elders around the community, but something that you don't cook, you find a cook though. That's your, you be like, where Regina been at? And then Regina come to the back door with fried chicken, rice, we got in there now. And then the next thing, oh yeah, Queen, you're a vegetarian, and contact the vegetarian person, come bring the vegetarian food. So she will get it together in Charleston time. But she will get it together. Right? She doing Charleston time, but she get it together. And so I just know it's your destiny to feed not just the body, but the mind.
Yes, that's what it says.
Yes. Because the mind don't function right without the healthy body anyway. But what people don't realize is your body is not in good health because your mind ain't attached to it. Most of that has to do with the spirit. As long as the spirit is healed, all the space is blessed, the hands are blessed, you can't help but heal the community. And that's your destiny. So don't think, say, the cafe is just for food. I'm so glad he put him on and that you're going to feed them. Yes. They don't read but one page a day. Amen. Yes. Tell them come in and read. You might have to tell them you don't get your plate till we see you read. Right? Okay? Because that's what we got to do. Don't let people think that we crazy.
Right.
We got plenty of doctors in here amongst us.
That's right.
But we only got the doctorate to prove to them we could do it, because we ain't know who we
That's
could.
right.
That's
right.
Okay.
That's right.
That's for their system.
That's right.
That ain't for we system. Because your people don't mean nothing with and mother with.
That's right.
Because I done meet a lot of educated fools. I don't know about y'all. Very lettered. But ask them to get to that street out there. How do I? Okay. Where we be the, Lord have mercy. Come on. I know, right? That's just how we do. In the GullahGeechee Nation. So that's what my characters in the novels is about, that mother with. About that family. Getting we people back to this your land, like we just talked about it, the song of the snout, coming home.
Yes.
and what work we done do right, y'all. So I'm glad, gal, you should see all the email people wrote me back to say, I'm sorry, Green. I can't make it. God bless you. You deserve a library.
Yes.
And when I come to Charleston, I'm going to your library.
Yes.
We have people give donations online because they said this is a worthy cause.
Yes.
I had the people all the way from England where I going next to me. Congratulations, Queen!
I know,
Yes.
right?
I said to myself, take down Cecil Road Library there and give me one. I really be happy. Put me in place of his statue. I saw it on trust. Okay? But this is about the road we walk together. So let us all hold hands and let the circle be unbroken. Because it's one thing to have a ribbon crossed it, but it's another thing for us to know we bound together. Just like our ancestors. And so now, y'all okay, y'all sit right there, because you've been up on your knees. I need you to sit down. Yes. Yes. So let us say a prayer again. Dear God, thank you for this year. God bless up this young place. Bless up everybody with the antecedent and all the rest of the children already with. God bless up this your destiny, Captain. God bless us, Sister Regina. Keep giving her wisdom, knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Bring all of we together, Lord, so that we walk together, chill out, and don't get weary. Thank you for blessing me from all far down in Florida, like we Dr. Ramona come to see. Come on back home to South Carolina. Some of we did where you on them? Florida up in North and South Carolina. They're all the way to Georgetown. Bless them, God. Bless the road, clear the road, the highway, the airway. But people be safe. Let them have time for sit with you. Renew your mind. Give them the wisdom. Give them the knowledge. Give them the understanding. Make these your doors wider for the children. Pour yourself in. And say, we ain't just come here for eat food. We come here for lunch. We know said this is we place in space. Ain't got to get you there. Now we know we home day. And we know we got a home right here. They ain't gonna take we from this your course talking. We know they're stormy and dry long so good. We know it's 100 to cleanse this your area that they ain't supposed to do. Oh, but you keep holding we right here. We the tree planted by the rivers of the water. Thank you, Lord. For the GullahGeechee tree. Thank you for the bodies intertwined. Thank you for we holding up one another. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you for this great camp meeting in the promised land. Thank you for democracy. Thank you for GullahGeechee. Thank you for kiddo. Thank you for that Gullah over in a fight back for this your day. And then we ain't do this shit right on so this we honor all their spirit. Whether warrior, whether normal read, whether normal right. And when they learn them and pass them to the next one. See where this circle does now. Strengthen this circle. Heal this circle. Give you everything we need. To be the remnant. But bring the nation to power. So the next generation, the circle be even bigger. They come together. They had reading parties. Had books on it. Show you videos from the books. Have them growing. Till we need to take up this whole plaza. And how all the businesses right. Give it back this land. Take it off. We know say. You ain't telling the town for make that symbol with that tree over there. We be GullahGeechee.
Anointed people.
We be
GullahGeechee. Anointed people.
We be GullahGeechee.
GullahGeechee.
Anointed people.
Thank you for the black.
Thank you.
Thank you for the anointing.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you.
freedom.
Thank you.
Thank you, God.
Thank you.
Thank you for the
Thank
blessing.
you. Thank you.
Thank you for the
Thank
kind
you.
word.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
And right now we
Thank
say
you.
hallelujah.
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 Amen.
Amen.
Come on, Johnny, stand. Come on, Johnny, stand.
The library got my name on them. I thought them not robbery to rob my library and bring a whole set of my books. And when them book will make up, say the Gullah Bible. We'll make sure the children see them. Okay? So, we want to add them to the shelf. Y'all come on in and look around. And if you got books, bring them. So we can all put these books on the shelf. Together.
Each one teach one.
That's
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, Kwan,
Share the knowledge.
come on inside, on the inside.
All right.
Get over there.
Excuse me.
This is the first beginning, y'all. We have an architect that's drawing to add us 4 more feet wide and 4 more feet out. So we are in the process of that, and Barnes & Noble has also partnered with the library, and they're doing a holiday book drive. And they're asking
To donate.
to donate. They're going to get the list from Queen on the different types of books that we would like to have. And last year they said they raised over $3,000 for the charity that they gave books to.
Wow.
So we're on the goal to reach
brother.
3,000 or more books to go in library.
Excellent.
So they'll have 2 events going on this holiday season. So stay tuned. It'll be at all the Barnes and Nobles here locally.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And December 21st, I'm at Barnes & Noble, right?
December, is it December?
December 21st, I thought.
21st. And we'll send a blast out again because they're asking for Queen to also ask for vendors too. They want GullahGeechee, only GullahGeechee vendors to be in the store on that day.
Wonderful.
Nice. So it's a blessing to see that the library, as the GullahGeechee Legacy Library, it would have been remiss if the flag wasn't on the wall, right? That's the first thing I saw as I walked in. And one of the novels that I believe, this is one of the several novels I consulted on. So I'm going to give a whole set of those too. I'm going to put them in, put this one in here too, for those who want to read the novel. Nice. What a blessing.
Yes.
Many more libraries.
Now look who did it now. This gal young. We about to celebrate 20 years together. 20 years. Okay.
Hey.
Next year, 2020,
Hey.
will be the 20th anniversary of me going to the Colleton County Memorial Library every summer. We done had fraternities and sororities help sponsor dinners while I've been there. We done had the church members, the Lee Tiny Tots. People come from other counties, all kind of mixtures over the years. And so it's a blessing.
And you always draw a crowd.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, Sister Sheila always tell me that, Queen, you know you bring the crowd when you come. So we always have a good time. So I see you got goodies.
We got some good.
Yes.